In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off call waiting on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first get into settings and there scroll all the way down until you find phone, and there you can hit add call waiting. Now there you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and now you can interact with that switcher. You can turn it off if you want, just tap on it to turn it off, and also there in the same way you can turn this option back on. And actually that's it. Now you can hop out settings to go to your home screen. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.